Subjunctive mood. Present subjunctive mood exists in certain traditional phrases where it expresses a wish or hope. Why we call it present? Because it is actually expressing a wish or a hope. Most of the time, the tense would be present when we are hoping for something or we are wishing somebody. The examples here of subjunctive mood are God bless you. So that means the blessing from God is a wish at present. Therefore, most of the time when we talk about subjunctive mood, we think about it to be in the present. Similarly, heaven help us. What we are wishing for is the blessing from heaven, and we are wishing for that at present. It is not that we are saying heaven helped us. That will not be a subjunctive mood, because that is something that had happened before and we are stating a fact. Then that means that will come under the indicative mode. Now we are talking about subjunctive mood, and most of the time it is in the present form. God save the king. Again, if we will say God saved the king, that means this thing happened before in the past, and then it becomes an indicative mood because it is a fact that God saved the king. But because we are wishing that God may save the king, we are wanting and hoping that it happens. So that is why it becomes a present subjunctive mood. However, all the mood which would be subjunctive would be either expressing a wish or a hope. Also, some examples of subjunctive mood dependent on a verb expressing desire, intention, resolution. For example, I move that Mr. Hamid be appointed chairman. This is not a hope, it is not a wish as such as asking for blessing from heaven, but it is a desire. It is the desire that I want Mr. Hamid to be appointed the chairman, so I move that. I make a statement that I want Mr. Hamid to be the chairman appointed. So in that case, when some type of desire is being expressed, again the mood would be subjunctive. And it is a desire, so that means it is present. It is in the present mood. So most of the time when we will be talking about subjunctive mood, we will be also thinking of it to be at present. Any intention. I recommend that examination should be taken in July. So that means again it is subjunctive. There is a desire that the examination should take place in July, and it is being expressed in the present form. It is suggested that a ring road be built to relieve the congestion. Again, it is an expression of a desire, and therefore it is being suggested. And it is subjunctive and it is present. It is suggested, that is present. And the suggestion is that the ring road be built. It is a desire to relieve the congestion. We recommend that the subscription be increased to 10,000 rupees. Again, a desire to increase the subscription in order to do some action. So the verb is actually dependent on the desire, on the subjunctive mood. So something that has to be done. The subscription has to be made. But then with this action there is a suggestion or there is an expression of desire that it should be made more, it should be increased, and this suggestion is taken to be at present. Therefore, as said earlier, subjunctive mood has to be most of the time in the present tense.